Day 2. Why can't you understand English? Welcome back. In the first part, we learned two important reasons why many people don't understand English. Now let's learn 3 more reasons that stop your listening improvement. These reasons are very common, but most learners don't know about them. Let's begin. Reason: English is connected. Have you noticed something strange? You learn a sentence from your book. You understand it perfectly. But when a native speaker says the same sentence, it sounds completely different. Why? Because native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect words together. For example, instead of saying, "What are you doing?" they often say, "What you doing?" instead of "want to." You may hear wanna, going to, gonna, give me, gimme. At first, this sounds confusing. But don't worry. This is completely normal. The more you listen, the more familiar these connected sounds become. Listen carefully. Slow. I am going to call you. Natural. I'm gonna call you. Again, slow. Do you want to come? Natural. Do you want to come? Again, slow. Give me a minute. Natural. Give me a minute. Excellent. Don't try to memorize every shortcut today. Just become familiar with the sound. Reason: different accents. Another reason you don't understand English: every person speaks differently. An American speaks differently. A British speaker sounds different, even to people from the same country. Don't always speak in the same way. Think about your own language. People from different cities have different accents. English is exactly the same. So don't panic if you don't understand every speaker. Start with one clear accent. Once your listening becomes stronger, understanding other accents becomes much easier. Small listening challenge. Listen to these simple questions. Where are you from? Pause. Now answer. I'm from India. Next. What do you do? Pause. Answer. I am a student. Or, I work in an office. Very good. Don't worry if you miss a few words. Focus on understanding the main idea. That's what fluent listeners do. Reason: you know words, but not spoken words. Many learners say, I know thousands of English words. But when they hear them, they don't recognize them. For example, you know the word comfortable, but when someone says it naturally, it may sound like, you know. Interesting. The word is the same, Only the pronunciation changes. That is why reading and listening are different skills. Practice time. Repeat after me. Comfortable. Comfortable. Probably. Probably. Interesting. Excellent. The more you hear these words, the easier they become. The 15-minute listening routine. Now let me share a simple daily routine. You don't need 3 hours, you only need 15 minutes. First 5 minutes. Listen to slow English. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen carefully. Next 5 minutes. Close the video. Try to speak the same sentences from memory. If you forget something, that's okay. Learning happens through repetition. Do this every day, not once a week. Not only on Sunday, every single day. Small practice creates big results. Motivation. Remember one important truth. Nobody becomes a good listener overnight. Even fluent English speakers spent years listening before they became confident. So don't say, "My English is weak." Instead say, "My English is improving every day." Every video you watch, every sentence you repeat, every minute you listen, brings you one step closer to fluency. Believe in the process. Stay consistent. Your ears are learning even when you don't notice it. This is a second part. In the next part, I'll explain 3 more hidden reasons why you don't understand English, and give you practical exercises that you can start today. So don't miss the next part. See you in the next part. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing. I hope you learned something new today.
Subscribe SN English Practice.